Best tick removal tool review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular tick removers in the market that have been used by thousands of pet owners who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this tick removal device so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this tick removal tool. The one that made our list is the TickEase Tick Remover Dual Tipped Tweezers. This is the only dual-sided tick removal device that allows you to remove ticks from people, dogs, cats, and all other pets with just one tool. The fine-tipped, pointy design was made specifically for the effective removal of engorged ticks. The specially designed slotted scoop is for you to quickly and easily remove ticks from your pets. Simply place it against the skin, slide under the tick, and lift with steady, even pressure. This stainless steel tweezers safely remove ticks of all sizes, types, and levels of engorgement. To check out the full specs of the TickEase Tick Remover Dual Tipped Tweezers and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/tickremovaltool. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this tool. So there you have it, the TickEase Tick Remover Dual Tip Tweezers. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this tweezer is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the TickEase Tick Remover Dual Tip Tweezers and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/tickremovaltool. Alright, thank you for watching.